What do you guys do, Chris? Just to let you know, guys, I'm at Sortun.
Oh, yeah, it's basketball.
And yeah, it's like Bobby's gonna ring in 1 minute. So, yep. I haven't been recording on Sortun in a while. My apologies, guys. But I feel like making a video today because it's a nice day today. Look at that blue sky, man. And school like never changed a bit. So bell ring. You can see all the kids coming out. Can't believe school is about to end next week. Yikes. It's like time flying by so fast. And most teachers I knew in Sortun are retiring. I mean, most of them I knew retired, but some of them are retiring. For example, Miss Pito is retiring. Man. But I guess that's how it is, man. Life goes on. Hey. Hey. Someone say hi to me. I don't know if you see this video, man, but yeah, just look at all the kids like coming out. So now they do like kindergarten and 5th graders. No more 6th graders. Alright, I'm gonna head out, guys. Later! So thank you guys for watching. You guys peace out.